guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm Colleen Sabal. And for today's educational vlog, I'll be discussing about human sexuality.
What is sex and gender?
Sex refers to a set of biological attributes in humans and animals. It is primarily associated with physical and physiological features including chromosomes, gene expression, hormone levels and function, and reproductive or sexual anatomy. Sex is usually categorized as female or male, but there is a variation in the biological attributes that comprise sex and how those attributes are expressed. Gender refers to the socially constructed rules, behaviors, expressions, and identities of girls, women, boys, men, and gender-diverse people, and it influences how people perceive themselves and each other, how they act and interact, and the distribution of power and resources in society.
Difference between sex and gender.
As we can see, sex refers to the biological and physiological differences between male and female on the basis of their reproductive structures, while the gender refers to the social, cultural, behavioral, and emotional differences between men and women. Sex has two main categories, which is the male and female, and the main categories of gender are masculine and feminine. The sex is determined or inherited by birth, while the gender is influenced by social, cultural, and behavioral factors. Generally, sex rule cannot be changed by time and culture. For example, only women can give birth to children and only men can impregnate, while gender is a flexible term and its rule can be changed by time and culture. Women can perform men's rule, or example is be a doctor, engineer, or etc. So men can also adopt women's social duties such as feeding and caring kids and etc. So sex is created by the reproductive needs that is biological feature, while the gender is distinctions are created by social norms. What is human sexuality? Human sexuality is the way people experience and express themselves sexually. This involves biological, erotic, physical, emotional, social, or spiritual feelings and behaviors. Because it is a broad term which has varied with historical context over time, it lacks a precise definition. The biological and physical aspects of sexuality largely constrain the human reproductive functions, including the human sexual response cycle. And now, let's have the types of sexuality. First, we have the heterosexual. Heterosexual people who are heterosexual are romantically and physically attracted to members of the opposite sex. Heterosexual males are attracted to females, and heterosexual females are attracted to males. Heterosexuals are sometimes called straight. Homosexual people who are homosexual are romantically and physically attracted to people of the same sex. Females who are attracted to other females are lesbian. Males who are attracted to other males are often known as gay. The term gay is sometimes used to describe homosexual individuals of either sex. Bisexual people who are bisexual are romantically and physically attracted to members of both sexes. Asexual people who are asexual may not be interested in sex, but they still feel emotionally close to other people. Asexuality is not a choice, like abstinence, where someone chooses not to have sex with anyone, whether they are attracted to them or not. And that's all for today's topic. Thank you for watching.